Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Dodge Challenger from Fast and Furious. First, let's establish the car's basic form. Start by lightly sketching a long, low rectangle for the main body. Then, place a smaller, angled rectangle on top for the cabin. Think about the Challenger's wide, muscular stance as you lay down these initial shapes. This foundation is crucial for capturing its iconic look. Now, let's bring in some of those unmistakable Challenger features. Carefully draw the signature rectangular grille and the dual headlights. Below that, add the lower air intake. Next, define the bold, flared wheel arches and sketch in the large, circular wheels. Don't forget to outline the side windows and the powerful, sculpted lines of the hood. These details really start to make it recognizable. With the main features in place, it's time to sculpt the body. Smooth out your initial lines, adding the characteristic curves and sharp edges of the Challenger. Pay attention to the side panels, sketching in the door lines and the circular fuel cap. Move to the back and emphasize the integrated rear spoiler and the distinctive full-width taillight design. These refinements give your drawing depth and realism. For the final touches, let's add those smaller yet important details. Sketch in the door handles, side mirrors, and the dual exhaust pipes at the rear. Now, use shading to give your drawing a three-dimensional look. Darken areas under the car, within the wheel wells, and along the body lines to create depth and highlight the contours. Finally, carefully erase any remaining guidelines for a polished, professional finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.